So I'm back at Sam's Club today. I'm getting some dessert for my birthday. I did go with the chocolate cake. They have all these different cakes. They're only $16.98. They also have a bunch of cups of cheesecake, a variety options you can choose from. Next, I'm going to be looking at some frozen meals. They have rice, orange chicken. They also have different type of like bao, pot stickers, egg rolls, taquitos, dumplings. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content, and I'll be coming back with more vlogs throughout the week showing you what I got to feed my family of 4 throughout the week. We did come in with a grand total of $180 for this grocery haul.